he's gonna let you down this year. He's been really good.
Oh, just wait.
Just wait. So he's been doing well?
Yeah. Getting very picky about wet food, though. You know, he'll eat it for a day and then we'll only buy the small can. So he likes to switch it up quite a bit.
That's a boy.
You're okay. So quiet. After his years, he's finally
got
learned.
stage fright. Okay,
There we go.
There you go, buddy. All right,
Okay.
I know. It's okay, you're all right. Get a weight on you, Betty. Eight, 12, okay. Alright, little ouchie. And he's still indoors, is he? Okay, yeah, so everything looks good. He's down just a couple of ounces. I know there was a concern last year, but last year he was 9 pounds. This year he's 8 pounds. 12 ounces, yeah.
It's all the running around that the dog makes you do. The dog is so jealous of him.
Really?
It's awful. It's just awful. When we're not home, they're fine. As soon as I look at the cat, the dog chases them away.
Kind of a dog.
It's just a fun.
Okay. So any other questions that you had?
No, he's been great.
Okay, good, yep. All right.
Other
Betty?
than this behavior, we can't have people in our house
Is
without
that
locking
right?
them up.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Oh yeah.
Hey, that's your mom. Yeah, don't bite me. Beat your mom up.